How to record Instagram calls on Android. This tutorial shows you how to capture your Instagram calls directly on your device. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, start or receive a call on Instagram as you normally would. From there, once the call is connected, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel. At this point, look for the Screen Recorder option and tap on it to start recording. Let me show you. This will capture everything on your screen, including the Instagram call. In the next step, when prompted, select Internal Sound, so both sides of the conversation are captured clearly in the recording. Following this, a countdown will appear, and then the recording will begin automatically. Once done, go back to your Instagram call and continue your conversation as normal. The screen recorder will capture everything running in the background. From there, when you're ready to stop recording, swipe down from the top of your screen again. At this point, tap on the stop button in the screen recorder notification to end the recording. Following this, the recording will be saved automatically to your gallery app. Open your gallery and look for the screen recordings folder to find it. From here, if the screen recorder option isn't showing in your quick settings panel, swipe down and tap on the edit button to customize your panel. At this point, search for screen recorder and drag it into your quick settings so it's easy to access next time. Here's an important note. Recording calls without the other person's knowledge or consent may be illegal in some regions. Make sure you're aware of the call recording laws in your area before proceeding. Finally, if the screen recorder isn't capturing the audio properly, try using a third-party screen recording app from the Play Store that supports internal audio recording for better results. And that's it. If this guide helped you record Instagram calls, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.